What if you could own the legend of the Shelby Cobra with a thunderous 427 V8 and modern performance? This backdraft will leave you speechless. The legend of the Shelby Cobra never truly disappeared. It simply evolved. Today we're looking at an extraordinary 1965 Shelby Cobra Backdraft that combines timeless American muscle with modern engineering, creating one of the most thrilling roadsters ever built. From its aggressive stance to the roar of its iconic 27 cubic inch V8, every inch of this machine is designed to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Finished in a stunning gray metallic paint with bold silver racing stripes, this Cobra instantly commands attention wherever it goes. The low-slung body, muscular fenders, and unmistakable racing proportions perfectly capture the spirit of the original 1960s icon while benefiting from modern craftsmanship. Its lightweight fiberglass body helps maximize performance while preserving the authentic appearance enthusiasts have admired for decades. At the heart of this incredible machine is an iconic 420 cubic inch crate V8 engine. Fire it up, and the deep rumble from the chrome side pipes announces its presence long before it comes into view. Feeding this legendary power plant is a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, providing crisp throttle response and the classic muscle car sound that every enthusiast dreams of hearing. Backing this powerful V8 is a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, giving the driver complete control over every shift. Every gear change feels mechanical, precise, and rewarding, making every drive an engaging experience. Power is transferred through a durable Ford 8.8-inch rear end featuring a 3.55/1 gear ratio and Posi-Traction, delivering excellent grip whether you're launching from a stop or accelerating through sweeping curves. Performance isn't just about horsepower, it's about confidence. This backdraft features 4-wheel power disc brakes that provide impressive stopping capability, while rack and pinion power steering delivers sharp, responsive handling. A hydraulic clutch makes shifting smoother and less tiring, while the serpentine belt system and electronic cooling fan help ensure dependable performance even during spirited driving. The aggressive stance is enhanced by beautiful black GT40-style knockoff wheels measuring 8 inches front and rear, wrapped in 245/40R18 tires up front and massive 295/40R18 tires at the rear. This Cobra offers exceptional grip while maintaining its unmistakable racing-inspired appearance. Walk around the exterior and you'll notice thoughtful details everywhere. A functional hood scoop hints at the beast underneath, while front fender vents enhance the vintage competition look. The driver's side chrome roll bar adds authenticity, and the front and rear quick jacks recall the endurance race cars that dominated tracks around the world. Completing the iconic design is the Le Mans-style fuel filler mounted proudly behind the cockpit. Beneath the beautiful body lies an RT4 suspension system that transforms the driving experience. Combined with the black painted frame, reinforced crossmember, aluminum gas tank, and explosion-proof bell housing, this chassis is engineered to deliver both strength and confidence. Modern suspension technology allows this Cobra to handle far better than many original classics while preserving its raw, connected feel. Slide into the cockpit and you're welcomed by luxurious tan leather upholstery that perfectly complements the car's aggressive personality. Bucket seats equipped with 4-point harnesses provide both comfort and security. The big and tall package offers additional room for larger drivers, making this roadster enjoyable for a wider range of enthusiasts. Directly in front of the driver sits a gorgeous wood-rimmed steering wheel, a signature feature that instantly transports you back to the golden era of sports car racing. Factory-style gauges provide all the essential information with classic styling, while black carpeting and convenient door mat pockets complete the interior with subtle refinement. Every drive in this 1965 Shelby Cobra Backdraft is an event. The engine growls through the chrome side pipes, the manual transmission keeps you fully connected to the machine, and every curve reminds you why the Cobra remains one of the greatest performance cars ever created. It delivers breathtaking acceleration, incredible road presence, and a soundtrack that sends chills down your spine. This Backdraft isn't simply a replica, it's a celebration of automotive history, blending legendary styling with modern engineering to create an experience that feels both nostalgic and exhilarating. It captures everything enthusiasts love about the original Cobra while offering improved reliability, comfort, and performance for today's roads. Available through Vanguard Motor Sales, this remarkable Cobra can also be financed through their competitive financing program, making the dream of owning one of the world's most iconic roadsters more attainable than ever. If you love legendary muscle cars, handcrafted performance machines, and timeless automotive icons, this 1965 Shelby Cobra Backdraft deserves a place at the very top of your dream garage. It's loud, fast, beautiful, and unforgettable. The perfect combination of classic American power and modern precision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible classic, Restomod, or high-performance machine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.